से अपने सुना माशाल्लाह।
Alright, when we say that today, in fact, we are going for the elections, and when we say the lawyers, they are, they in fact, they go for the election for the rule of law. And when we say the rule of law means there should be equality for everybody, and there should be justice for all, and public interest is kept at the top. And lawyers, they must, in fact, the lawyers, they must concentrate, they must focus on their professional responsibility. When I say professional responsibility, there is a dignity, there is honesty in that, and the lawyers, they must, I will say, when they go for their professional responsibility, they must keep the public interest at the top. And what I've seen all over the world, lawyers, believe me, I tell you, they are the most respected people, they are the most respected community, and when they say why they are so, because they keep the public interest at the top, and they love their profession, and they do not deviate here and there. They are, most of them, I'm telling you, most of them, they are the non-political people, because they have to work for the public interest. And I will make sure now these people, those who get elected, they must concentrate on profession. And I know so much is spent on this election. Even a person who is a competent person does not have the money, does not have the resources, cannot enter into an election. So we are the best lawyers in the world. And when I say that the people of Pakistan, they're the best people, and we are the best nation. And when I say the lawyers, we are the best lawyers, let's know, change it. We want to have respect from the world. And when I say we want to have respect from the world, we must concentrate on our legal. And today I am casting my vote only because of this. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.